Hello students, today I am going to do with you a poem which is written by William Wordsworth. The poem's name is I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud. The poem is very beautiful because here the poet describes the beauty of flowers that is named daffodils. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on higher vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd. Here the poet is saying that the poet was wandering, means moving alone. The poet was alone and moving here and there as a cloud, like a cloud moves in the air, in the sky, here and there. On the same way, the poet was wandering in the vales and hills. Vales means valleys and hills. When all at once I saw a crowd. When the poet was wandering here and there, he looked at once a crowd. It was not the crowd of people. It was the crowd of golden daffodils. A host of golden daffodils beside the lake beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Here the poet is saying that when he was lonely, wandering here and there, he looked at once a host of golden daffodils, means he saw the host of golden daffodils, and the daffodils were beside the lake. Beside means near the lake, and beneath the tree, under the tree where he was sitting, and he was watching that those daffodils which were golden in color, and they were fluttering and dancing in the breeze, means they were looking like dancing. Here the poet is personify the movement of the daffodils. They can't dance, but here the poet is making the daffodils like the human being. Here the poet described the daffodils like human, means they were looking like dancing due to the breeze. In the next stanza, continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way, they stretched in never-ending line along the margin of bay. Here the poet is comparing the daffodils with the countless continuous twinkling stars on the Milky Way. They stretched in never-ending line. They are many in number, they are countless, and they are stretching in never-ending line, means the wherever the eye of the poet go, he saw the daffodils only. Along the margin of bay, means on the horizon line, he saw the never-ending line of daffodils. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. Now the poet is saying that in a view, in a glance, at a glance, in first glance, he saw 10,000s. In one time, he saw 10,000 daffodils who were tossing their heads, means moving their heads in sprightly dance. Sprightly means energetically. They were moving and they were looking like they are dancing with full energy. In the next stanza, the waves beside them danced, means they were dancing like the waves of the sea, like the sea waves go ups and down. On the same way, the daffodils, the host of golden daffodils, moves up and down due to the air, but they outdid the sparkling waves in glee, means they are sparkling like the waves. When the sunshine reflects on the waves of the sea, in the same way they are also sparkling due to the sunlight in the glee, means they are very happy, they are looking very happy. A poet could not but be gay. Now the poet is describing himself that while looking the daffodils, he is nothing but gay. Gay means the feeling of happiness. In such a jocund company, he was very happy when he was in the company of those trees. Jocund means cheerful. Jocund means cheerful or merry. So he feels cheerful and he is very happy due to the cheerful company of daffodils. I gazed and gazed, but little thought what wealth the show to me had brought. Here the poet is gazing at, looking at continuously, and no thought enters in his mind except the daffodils. What wealth the show to me had brought, that is great treasure for him, that is showing to him by the nature. Nature has shown all the beauty through the daffodils. For often when on my couch I lie, means whenever he sits on the couch and lie in vacant or in pensive mood, whether his mind is full of thoughts or no thought enter in his mind, means vacant. But whenever he think upon it, the thought of daffodil comes in his mind. They flash upon that inward eyes, means his open eyes clearly can see the host of golden daffodils, which is the bliss of solitude, means that is the happiness of the loneliness. He described that whether he is alone here, but the bliss of solitude is with him, that is the joy which he gets from the daffodils. And then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. And whenever he saw the host of golden daffodils, which were twinkling like the Milky Way stars and dancing with due to the air, and whenever the thought of daffodils come in his mind, his heart filled with pleasure and true happiness, and dances with the daffodils like they dance in the air. I hope you understood all poem, and I want to tell the rhyme scheme of the poem. So the rhyme scheme of the poem is A B A B C C, means rhyme scheme tells about the rhyming words of a poem. In first line, the rhyming word is matching with the third one, and second one is matching with the fourth one, and sixth one line and the seventh one line is not matching with the first one and second one. So the rhyme scheme of the poem is A A A B A B C C. So I hope you understood. The poem is very beautiful. It describes about the beauty of nature, that is about daffodils. Poet used many devices here, like personification. He personified the daffodils when he uses the dance word. I hope you understood all the poem. Thank you for watching.